today I'm pouring on a 10 by 20. Is this 10 by 20? I think, hang on, let me hold up yes, 10 by 20. Held up a 12 by 24 to compare. And I did you a favor and I already poured the white, so you don't need to watch me do that. But I did buy a new jug at the dollar store, and it's all nice and clean, and I can open it with no problem, and it's awesome. And it was $1, so, all right. Let me get my gloves back on. So the colors I'm using today, I self-mixed. I was combining paints this morning, so I can't tell you what color they are because they're like 2 or 3 different colors together. This one is kind of a metallic brown. You know what? You'll just see them as I pour them. I'm going to do a hairdryer pour, and I took my attachment off because I kind of want splatter. And if you don't have the attachment, sometimes you can get a really good splatter when you start blowing the paint all around. So I'm just going to start laying out my paint. This one says Prussian blue mixed with blush. I'm not sure what blush is, but it's a pretty color. It's kind of a lilac. See, sometimes when I really, really like a color, I wish I had written down what it was, because I don't know otherwise. Oh, I just sat that one in the lid in a puddle of white paint. That was genius. I was going to put unbleached titanium white on here, but I don't think I'm going to add the white anymore. I'll add some metallic bronze plus gold. I love it when I have a little bit of metallic and then I resin it and the metallic really stands out. Gosh, do I want to add any more? I think I'll do this this is burnt umber with Grumbacher iridescent white. Alrighty. This paint is not moving. It is really thick. I'm going to put on the attachment and see if it helps. That looks pretty. Trying to decide if I want to put white over the top. I don't know if the white will ruin it or not. I'm going to blow out the edges some more though. What did I do with this? That part looks different than the rest. Ah, I like how it's going off that edge. I love the colors. It's so pretty. Very pretty. I'm going to stand back and look at it and see if I think it needs anything. Let's torch. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to take my gloves off so I can bring you over. I love the yellowish color. It's peeking out a lot here and here and here. I really like that. So there it is as a whole. And some close-ups. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye. Hey, I'm back. I kept looking over this painting and looking over this painting, and I'm not happy with it. It's just, I don't know what is wrong with it, but I'm not happy with it. So I'm going to try and put white over it and then use the dryer again. So now we're going to see. It's a lot of white, I know. The white is too thick. The white is way too thick. But it needs color on top of it. I should just thin out the white. All right. I like this so much better. So much better. This is just so soft and pretty. And it's got a flow to it, the way I did the hairdryer. Oh, I like this. Yay, I am happy. So you never have to settle on anything. Just keep working it till you got it how you want it. Oh, I love the movement in it. Yay! I'm excited now. I wasn't that excited at the end of the first one. So thanks for sticking with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.